So initially, my goal for this video was to do this makeup look in under 15 minutes. But y'all, I failed.
You are watching Nestle TV. Thank you so much for tuning into another one of my videos.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos. I've got a lot in store on the way for you guys. You don't want to miss it. So I literally ran out of contacts, and I'm going to try to make it work without my glasses. That was me right there showing you guys me setting.
Joker.
Yeah. When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker?
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard.
So I'm not really filling in my brows because they are microbladed, and if you are in the North Carolina area, I am a microblading artist myself. So if you are interested in getting microblading or just want some information on what microblading is, please feel free to check out my Instagram at NestleBrows_microblading or my website at nestlebrows.com. But also in probably my next video, I will be answering questions that people asked about microblading on my Instagram, and just giving some more information about it. So stay tuned. I haven't done a makeup video in over a year, I think. So this is just my way of dipping my toe back into it. So you guys gotta let me know how I did. I low-key don't even remember how to describe what I'm doing. I'm just putting on powder and putting on eyeshadow. Yo, I can't. I need to watch YouTube. I need to watch more YouTube videos, get some inspo. But yeah. That's all I gotta say. Just watch the video.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
When it hurts like this,
let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
When it hurts like this, let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
And there we have it, an attempt at doing my makeup in 15 minutes, but got it done in 30. Y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And check out my Instagram at Nestle_TV. My business Instagram at NestleBrows_microblading. And definitely check out my website for more information about microblading at nestlebrows.com. Until next time, bye.
My